Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Thursday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures are currently mixed. It's very quiet out there this morning ahead of some major economic numbers coming out at 8:30 this morning. We've got U.S. retail sales, initial jobless claims, and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index all coming out at 8:30. Now, yesterday was a wild day in the market. We did see the VIX perk up yesterday, but did not close above the upper channel line. It ran up to the tether line on the midterm chart, got into the middle of the flypaper channel chart, and pulled back. We had a similar thing happen to the NASDAQ for the VIX, while the VIX for the Russell is on its second day of a buy signal. So not that significant, but it could be the start of something. Moving on to the major index ETFs, we'll start off in Canada. The iShares for the TSX 60, the Vanguard Canada ETF, both traded down to the lower channel line yesterday, ended the day higher, so no change there. A reversal in the direction of the financials, still on a buy signal, no change there. Bank stocks still on a buy signal. Unfortunately, energy stocks on both sides of the border rolled over on Wednesday, and we are back on a sell signal. Inside day for gold stocks, no change there. And technology stocks reversed and closed back on a buy signal as of Wednesday's close. Looking at the U.S. market, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF traded through the lower channel line yesterday, but did not close below it. So certainly the opportunity for a sell signal on Thursday. The Dow still on a sell signal, no change there. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 both traded down to the lower channel line on Wednesday before reversing and closing higher on the day. The iShares for the Russell 2000, the Vanguard Small Cap ETF, both still on sell signals, no change there. And we've got microcaps still on a buy signal, so no change for microcaps. Now, just like in the Canadian market, energy stocks in the U.S. rolled over yesterday. They're back on a sell signal. Looking at financials, we're still on a sell signal here. Bank stocks still on a sell signal. And gold stocks, again, having an inside day, but the GDX is still on a sell signal coming into Thursday's trading action. Now, semiconductors peaked on Tuesday, came back on Wednesday, and now we're looking to see if we can get a close below 281.45 for the SMH on Thursday to give us a sell signal for the semiconductor sector. Let's take a look at the Wall Street most actives from Wednesday's trading action, starting off with Rigetti, up over 30% on the day. Then we've got NVIDIA. NVIDIA closed higher on the day, but did not actually trade higher than the previous day's high. Then we've got Big Bear back it's trading in the channel right now. We're looking for a close above $7.37 to give us a new buy signal on Thursday. Denison Mines, a stock you don't see on the most active list, was up 8.56% on the day. Unfortunately, Ford rolled over. It is back on a sell signal as of Wednesday's close. NU still on a buy signal here, trying to break out above the recent highs. Warner Brothers, a new high for that stock on Wednesday. And then we've got Tesla treading water here. It's still on a buy signal. Then Bit Digital ended the day up 19.45% on the day, still on a buy signal here. Looking to see if we can take out the recent high. Then Quarterscape making a new high for this move, and then Joby Aviation. So in both cases, I think those might be new highs for both of those stocks. And then Bank of America still on a sell signal here, making a new low for this move on Wednesday. Looking at the TSX most actives from Wednesday's trading action, new low for this move for Canadian Natural Resources. New sell signal for Cenovus as of Wednesday's close. No change for TD Bank. Enbridge still on a buy signal here. No change. Unfortunately, we've got a new sell signal for Baytech as of Wednesday's close. TC Energy inside day yesterday, still on a buy signal. Denison Mines, just like in the U.S., up over 8% on the day. Then Whitecap trying to break out above the June highs. So far has not been able to do that. Royal Bank sitting right on the edge of a new daily sell signal, closed higher on the day yesterday. Then we've got Discover Silver still on a buy signal here. Then Northern Dynasty, new closing high for that stock on Wednesday. And then Bank of Nova Scotia still on a buy signal here, but just barely. And then we've got Air Canada back on a sell signal as of Wednesday's close. Okay, folks, that is all for Thursday morning. As you can see, we are starting to see some sell signals here, but the major indices have not broken down just yet. I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see some sector sell signals over the next few days before the major indices start to break down next week. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Friday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.